OrbitView Flashlit Turntable is a compact product photography studio that, thanks to automation, offers simplicity and mobility with the stunning results of a professional photo studio. Thanks to the wheels, it's light enough to be easily transported wherever you need it, while extendable supports keep the device stable. Flashlit Turntable is made for use with strobe lights that you can install effortlessly in a matter of minutes. And the process? Set the lights, place the product on the platform, adjust the camera angles, and start capturing the items. Get web-ready photos in minutes. Ready with that one? Repeat the process for other products. Once you get that perfect photo, you can save the workflow settings in the templates for greater content consistency. With Flashlit Turntable, you can capture the shine, the matte, and the interesting structure of the selling items. Achieve stills and 360-degree spins that will wow your audience. Present your products in a new light with OrbitView.